Greetings dear everyone, and you are welcome to this channel. Imagine a home, your sanctuary, mirroring your dreams, your aesthetic and your comfort. Now envision it becoming even better. Welcome to a journey of transformation as we explore the bestsellers in home improvement. Every home tells a story, and the right tools can help narrate it beautifully. From sleek kitchen gadgets that make cooking a breeze to energy-efficient lighting solutions that add warmth and character, the bestsellers on Amazon's home improvement list are all about enhancing the quality of life. But it's not just about the physical transformation, it's about the emotional shift that comes with it. Witness the magic of a room turning from drab to fab, the joy of a cluttered space becoming organized, and the satisfaction of a tedious task becoming effortless. All with the help of these top-rated products. Customers who've been on this transformative journey have stories to tell. Stories of convenience, of renewed joy in their homes, and of products that delivered more than they promised. Their testimonials speak volumes about the reliability and effectiveness of these bestsellers. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the ocean of opportunities that these home improvement bestsellers offer. Explore now and embark on the journey of transforming your home into the paradise you've always dreamed of. Remember, home improvement isn't just about changing your home. It's about enhancing your life. And these bestsellers are here to make that journey easier, better, and more fulfilling. Make sure to check the video description to find the links for different categories of bestsellers in home improvement. Here's to creating homes that aren't just spaces to live in, but places where memories are made and dreams are realized. Stay tuned for more insights and remember to subscribe. Your dream home is just a few clicks away. And finally, thanks for watching. Have a great day every day and stay blessed. Thank you.